Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 10th of September. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own chance. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, in the last day, very little has happened on Bitcoin. So we're still above the weekly middle band. On the dailies, we're back above, we're considerably above the daily middle band, which I've got at 111.469. So we're back in 113.602 area. The key area I'm watching is the 50 DMA, currently at 114.961. And that needs to be broken. Since I was looking at it this morning, we're now slightly breaking up from this IHS here. So we have seen some movement. I was really seeing very little when I was having a look at it about an hour ago. So this IHS is now broken up, so I'm going to firm up the arrows here. And we will see how this goes. This is broken up with a target in about the 119.5 area, and we'll see whether it makes target. If it does, I'll be leaning towards seeing a retest of this high here at 124.5k. We shall see. Obviously, this tends to positively correlate with equities, and equities, obviously, we've got some bullish leading tape this week, and we are seeing some bullish leading action. So this may well follow that. We'll see how it gets, but we've got bullish, fairly strongly bullish historical tape today and tomorrow. Let's see how far this gets. All right, looking at Solana. Looking at the daily chart, we're making new highs here. I was saying yesterday that if we are going to make this IHS target in the 283 area, then we're going to need to break this trend line. We are seeing some damage being done to this trend line. We will see how that goes, but at the moment, that's looking pretty promising. So, because I would like to see that break. On the daily, on the hourly chart, no current divergence, breaking through the trend line, of course, and we will see how that goes from here. We could develop a larger trend line. I'm not seeing any really obvious candidates at the moment, but I'll be watching out and checking regularly. But really, I'd like to see Solana make a very clear break to the upside. Looking at Ethereum, daily chart was still on a weak RSI 14 sell signal. Here, we've been seeing very, very little action lately. This is a potential level top here, not really expecting it to play out, but I would note how very, very tight this action has been in recent days. Ethereum has just been almost dead in the water and just going sideways. What does this say about action in the next few days? Well, not a lot. We're just compressing. So does this mean that we'll probably get a decent move soon? Very possibly. But I mean, the daily bands haven't compressed to a really hard extent so far. Could well be it's going to just consolidate sideways for a while. The main action here is, the main thing I'm watching here is Solana to see whether we can break up over this resistance towards that 283 target. And Bitcoin, as we have a nice looking IHS there, it is breaking up and it may deliver, if it doesn't fail, it may deliver and move up into this retest of the all-time high at 124.5k. We shall see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Unless we've got any questions. Nope. In that case, everyone take care, and I'll catch you tomorrow morning.